Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from POV Patrol, and the title of the video is Walgreens shoplifter duo caught red-handed in snack heist. Okay, let's get into it. Let's see what they talking about here.
October 28th, 2024, officers were dispatched to the Walgreens in reference to a shoplifting and battery incident. While en route, dispatch advised that the suspects, two black females, had fled in a white Toyota Corolla. Officers located a matching vehicle nearby and conducted a traffic stop.
Yeah, I know.
As soon as I lost it, somebody started smiling.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, that just sounds like
Super drunk.
Okay. I heard brown shorts.
I see, dude, you're sitting up looking for something. Do you have any sharpies you used to before you done?
no, look at my phone.
Hey, grab my phone out there.
You watch her, bro?
What's going on?
Step back here.
Yeah.
Alright, you good?
Just take him take her out and detain him.
Alright, you want to step out the car for a minute, okay?
Am I being detained, sir?
Yes, you are. Yep.
For what?
Alright, yep, just turn up. Put the phone down, homie.
Hands up, sending it to you. Take it down in front of you.
Wait.
I'm gonna just put your phone right here on your seat, alright?
No, can you bring my phone with me, please?
Alright, give me a second, give me a second.
So.
You're gonna have a seat right here on the front of the car. I'm just getting there. I'm getting there late. Just relax, yo.
Oh, I'm
Just
sorry.
relax. I'm just getting there, alright?
4346, they have an idea of what we're taking. And mount, working on the mount.
What's your name, man?
The cars. If I just put her in the car, it's kind of dangerous out here.
Yeah, let's just go to the car. I don't want you to get hit. I don't want to get hit. Just have a seat for a second. Appreciate it.
So, what happened?
Oh, she saw the beginning part. I guess there's two. There's a.
I saw them in the aisle, didn't think of it until I saw them like they had a Florida bag, a black one.
Yeah.
They were just stuffing it, like just filling it up.
And they got that back from here as well?
Yes. It's
Yeah.
Robin Roode. More
Yeah.
like.
We sell it here.
Okay.
Yeah, if you can pull it up. So, white shirt, white jacket.
Let me check them for sure.
Alright, can you make it bigger for me again? Is there anything that's probably a little clearer to get like a visual of their face?
Because of how they came in, I don't know. We can check on this one.
I'll just, can you pause that real quick?
Stop that.
That's the driver.
Yeah. He did.
Brains, I'm sending it to you.
He shoved me too. So.
How'd you find the car?
What I do, bro. That's what I do. Where the school is right there, Cypress Creek or whatever. I saw it coming out. I saw him look at me. And I was like,
Oh, it ducked into there?
Yeah, it was in there. So then it was coming back out when I was going. We were going to call, and then I saw it turn up, and I pulled up next to it at the light, and it just stopped. Green light, not going. I'm like, sure. And I saw it was JIR, and I was like, and then they pulled off into not City Furniture, but whatever the dealership is right there. That's where you saw me get used.
Are you calling somebody on scene? Are you calling?
We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second, but first I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from zero to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full-time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
Are you calling somebody on scene? Are you calling somebody on scene?
Yeah.
Trying to figure out what charges we have and what's in there and everything. I know you asked that a while ago. You say something?
Yeah, I did.
What's up?
I'm trying to see what's up.
What's that?
What y'all waiting on now?
We're waiting on the primary officer. She's gonna come talk to you and ask a question about it. It's gonna happen, right? Like, we're all here for a reason, right? Get things through, okay?
We make sure.
I'm not a brag. I did everything, you know.
Yeah, we just want to make sure we have all the information before we, accuse anybody of anything. We don't like to. Yeah, I would just go ahead and read her rights right now, and then see, all right, so what happened? Tell me what happened. Since she's already wanting to talk.
Charges on both. The driver, which where the skinny one.
Skinny one,
Yeah.
Hey, how you doing?
What's up?
What's your name?
Tay.
Tay? All right, I'm gonna be the one doing the full investigation, so I need to ask you some questions. I need a verbal yes or no if you understand me, okay? You have the right to remain silent.
Hey, no alcohol here.
You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Has anybody threatened you or promised you anything to get you to talk to me?
No.
You want to let me know what happened today now?
I just asked. I don't know. Y'all don't need to she don't need to nothing to go on with her because I'm the one. I'm driving. I'm the one. Stop her. Stop. I'm the one.
She look like a man, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. Like, straight dude. Like, if she didn't have, a little chest and all that stuff, like, you would think that was like one of the bros. I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna lie. Wonder if she gonna talk though, or if she just gonna remain silent, which would be the best option.
The store stuff. Shit.
So you the one went in the store?
Yeah, I stole the store.
What'd you take?
I took over snacks.
A bunch of snacks?
Yeah. Eat for later.
What kind of snacks you took?
All the snacks y'all see.
I ain't even been over there to your car. I don't know what. I'm getting here last, so I really don't know what's going on.
Yeah.
That's why I'm getting everything from you.
You just want to eat. Yeah. Eat some snacks at the house.
You risking your freedom for snacks?
So you took some snacks. You don't know what kind of snacks you took? You just
everything that you see, I took everything.
Okay. All right, what about her?
She don't even got nothing to do with this. She just in the car. She got nothing to do with this.
All right, you got anything else to let me know?
You got any more questions?
No, you basically told me what happened. I'm just saying, you got anything else you want to let me know? So you went in the store, you took the snacks. You said she had nothing to do with it.
Yeah.
She was just in the car with you.
Yeah.
Right?
Well, we had somebody else in the car. It's crazy. They got in the car right before, what you call it? Right before y'all put us on.
Who was that?
I'm not gonna tell you their name, of course. But now they got out when we, I had poured in like a little closet. They was laying down.
Oh, I can hear you. That big truck was too loud. What'd you say?
I said I had poured in like a little car plaza and I let them out.
All right, anything else?
I guess that's it.
Okay. All right, put your feet back in.
So what y'all taking me to jail for?
I just want to make that.
Huh?
I talked to you a minute. Relax.
So she basically admitted to.
Yeah. She said she had nothing to do with it, but
So
they got it on camera that she was in the store too.
Yeah. Anyways, I think they're saying maybe that this is the one that pushed the storekeeper or resisted the storekeeper. So I'll call Doug and.
Sharika, right? Shakira, I'm sorry. All right. I'm going to read you something, okay? I need a verbal yes or no, all right? You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Anything you say may be used against you in court. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You want to let me know what happened today?
I want to know what I'm being charged with today. I still don't know what's going on.
Well, it appears that you guys, I guess, stole something out of Walgreens or something like that. We're just trying to get to the bottom of everything. All right, so you want to let me know what happened from your side of the story? I got her side. I want to hear your side. I'm not going to tell you what she told me. I want to hear
what she told you.
I want to hear what happened from your side.
What I'm being charged with?
I don't know. That's why I got to hear your side.
I mean,
I know what's going on at the store. I know
Right.
what she said. I know what she's been charged with so far. That's what I'm trying to figure out what happened from your end.
What do you mean? What happened from my end?
What happened when you guys went to the store? Did you guys take anything? Like what?
She trying to figure out exactly how much they know because she don't want to overtell. You know, whatever he says, she gonna kind of respond. You know what I mean? But listen, you ain't gotta talk to them. If you don't want to talk, just don't talk. You know what I mean? Like, instead of playing a little cat and mouse game, like, we ain't got time for that. If you're gonna talk, talk. If you're not, then don't. You know what I mean?
So what am I being charged with? Y'all, you already know this. You just trying to
I'm trying to get I'm trying to get what happened from
I'm gonna get a lawyer.
your point of view.
I'm gonna get a lawyer.
No one talk?
No.
Okay. Oh, watch your feet. I don't want your feet.
Just want to pop the trunk real
Smart.
quick. Make sure there's nothing crazy going on before we leave. Of course, there's a baby stroller in there.
Where's the baby?
Maybe the AJ. They dropped somebody off. Maybe it was the baby they dropped off. All right, we're gonna put you in our car.
Alright. Question, please.
Yeah.
Just do me this favor. Can you please get my chapstick? I ain't steal that.
Chapstick?
Please.
Where's the chapstick?
It's literally in the little middle thing, like in the front. It's like a EOS. It's like 10. Please. That's all I'm asking.
Say against the bumper. This one's your phone?
Yeah, so y'all gonna let her drive the car?
No, unfortunately, the guy, there's video of her taking stuff too. That's the problem.
I made her, bro, take stuff, bro. That's not on her, bro. You heard me, sir? I made her take stuff. That's not on her. No, everything's on me. You listen, sir? Come on. I know you the one who can change the situation. I'm telling y'all, everything was on me. Since I'm telling y'all, you tell me no way that y'all can do nothing. I'm telling y'all everything was on me.
You're looking at misdemeanor theft right now.
I know, I don't care what it is. I'm just telling you that it was all on me. I made her go there.
I get it, but she unfortunately she went. We have video and a witness of it, so there's nothing we can do about it. So
Who's the witness?
people in the store. Can't tell. Did you search her?
That's her.
All right. Well, before we put another one in, just make sure she's good.
But y'all can't change the charge, huh? Wow.
It doesn't get. It's a petty theft. It doesn't get weaker than that.
I know, but I'm the one who did it. That's what I'm saying. I'm telling y'all I'm the one who did it. Y'all can give her a charge for being there by standing. I know it's something y'all can.
Just simple petty. It doesn't get simpler than that.
Have a good day.
Canceling 1033 Emergency West.
I look like y'all ready to tackle me.
Emergency East. Paper series.
Same way every time.
Alright. I just want to make sure somebody get the car. Can y'all at least just do that for me, please? Just make sure somebody get the car, don't tow the car, please.
Make sure somebody what?
If the car doesn't tow the car, I got somebody like 5 minutes down the road to pick it up.
We can only release it to the registered owner.
Or somebody the registered owner grants permission to go in. Since we can't get a hold of the registered owner, grab tow.
Alright, so can I stop calling now so you guys don't like...
Well, I need a registered owner is what I'm saying.
I know, but I can
Have
have the
their
person...
phone number?
No, I don't, but I can call the person who can get in touch with you.
Alright, just search her here real quick.
Alright, let's come on inside the car. Anything inside your
I
pocket?
already got the tow truck.
Anything in your pocket that's gonna stick and poke
Please,
and
sir,
blow
they
up?
5 minutes. Sir, hold on.
Yo.
Man,
Anything
no,
that's gonna
because
blow up?
I'm going to start flipping out, man, please. I'm asking y'all one thing. Please, I got somebody 5 minutes down the road. Y'all don't have to tow the car. That's the least y'all can do for me. I done been calm. I done told y'all the truth. I ain't get crunk with y'all. I ain't been disrespectful, please. I don't have no money to get that car out of the thing. The girl don't have money to get her car out of there. Please.
Yeah. Just take this off here.
What is that?
Lanyard.
Oh, okay.
Can you put that back on the key thing? Please, sir. That's not one thing I got somebody 5 minutes down the road. But they torn that shit, bro. Please, sir.
Watch your hands, man.
Come on, I've been calm with y'all, bro.
And I greatly appreciate it. So
You don't know I be crunk. Like, please, just don't take the car.
All right. Let's just...
She's facing 2 charges: petty theft for stealing snacks from Walgreens and walking out without paying, and battery for shoving the store employee on her way out the door. Her friend is facing 1 charge: petty theft for also walking out of the store with stolen merchandise.
Crazy. At the end, she talking about, I normally get crunk. I ain't even get crunk. Like, that's how she normally get. Like, that mean you know, you got, how can I say this? You got too many encounters with law enforcement. You might want to do something else or pick another career path or something. Because I feel like it's not that hard to stay out the police way. But you keep finding yourself in these situations with the police. That don't make no sense. And then you crashing out over snacks. This ain't even about no money or nothing. You talking about you stole snacks? Really? Who does that? Man, I give these cops a 3, man. Satisfied. I'm satisfied with how they did. They get a 3, man. They did pretty good. It didn't go left or whatever, but they did what they had to do. You know what I mean? That's all you can really ask for.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.